So moving on to AJ's pick of the week for this week. This is actually a company that I'm not too familiar with, but it's called FSLY, and the ticker symbol is FSLY. What are you
Yeah.
seeing here, and why is it worth taking a look at?
So I like this company, Fastly. It's a kind of a cloud computing play. Let me back up. I always have my folks kind of.
AJ, I'm looking for that pick of the week. I'm gonna call you direct to get it. No, head on over to
I
the
know,
YouTube
right?
channel.
That's exactly what happened. Um, so I always ask my folks to kind of go back a little bit and see, how long has this been, how long has this thing been sideways channeling or in our kind of boring range. I like Fastly because of its price. I like Fastly because it gave me a signal here, a signal that has yet to reverse. It's not the most beautiful symbol for a long-term trade, but I think we've got a nimble type trade that we can do here. In other words, I'm going to tighten up my risk stops on this thing. When I do my protective option, instead of doing it up here at 20, I might do it down here at 1750 or one of these other strike prices in between 20 and 1750. And that would allow me to have to capture more profit up front. And this one's giving me the good vibes around I should be shorting it right now. So I should be either shorting the stock itself or buying a back month deep in the money, far out in time put option. And that could act as a stock substitute. And I'd be set to take advantage of any sort of movement going down. And if that movement going down stops at my level of support somewhere around $15 or $16, I'd be all set to turn this into an income trade by then selling a near-term at-the-money put and buying that protective call that I'm going to make a little bit more conservative rather than liberal. So Fastly is really queued up for me to do, even if it's a trade that only lasts a month or two. I could set up a nice trade that makes me some quick money. So I really like what Fastly's doing technically.